Bonjour Nico, comment ça va? Hop, j'avais pas branché le micro, j'étais en mode chips café, c'est dégueulasse. Bah écoute, ça va, j'essaye un peu de streamer, tu vois, le matin. C'est dur le matin. T'as vu un peu? Manque le saucisson et on est bon, hein. Ouais. Ouais, mais toi, t'as des gens qui te regardent déjà, c'est bien. Parce que, je sais pas, on verra si je continue. C'est peut-être pas trop mon truc de faire ça, tu vois. Par contre, depuis que je regarde tes streams, j'ai plein de suggestions de World of Warcraft. Putain, c'est fort ça. Maintenant Twitch, il croit que j'aime World of Warcraft. Ouais, j'ai surtout la flemme là en fait. J'ai la flemme de démarrer le truc. Après, quand c'est démarré, ça va, mais. Ouais, c'est vrai, c'est vrai. Je pense que, ouais, effectivement, quand tu sais qu'il y a des gens qui vont venir te regarder, qui t'attendent, c'est un peu plus. C'est un peu plus sympa, ouais. Et du coup, quand t'as commencé à streamer comme ça, tu t'étais acheté tout le matos et tout direct ou t'as fait ça un peu à l'arrache ou comment t'as lancé ça? Ou c'était plus parce que j'ai l'impression que tu joues avec des potes du stream en même temps sur WoW. Donc c'était plus un truc genre tu commences le truc avec tes mecs qui font la team avec toi. Enfin t'as le pied et tout. T'as le truc comme ça là, tchac, avec le micro. C'est la classe. Après de toute façon je crois que c'est... Enfin sur Twitch généralement... enfin, je sais pas si on entend bien là ce que je raconte, mais les gens ils sont un peu plus balèques du matériel quoi. Contrairement à YouTube où ils s'attendent à avoir des trucs déjà de... Tu dois être semi-pro. En plus, comment tu fais quand... tu sais même pas qui regarde, parce que là, je vois 3 viewers. Si ça se trouve, c'est des bots. Non, je le laisse, le bruit du clavier, c'est fait exprès. C'est pas mal quand tu codes, ça fait tchac 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 tchac. Normalement, les mecs qui viennent regarder du code, ils aiment bien entendre les bruits de clavier. Enfin, je dis ça, j'en sais rien. Mais... Moi, je regardais un streamer qui fait du code qui s'appelle The Primeagen. Euh, qui, franchement, il est hyper cool ce mec-là. Il te donne envie de coder. Tu vois, tu regardes ses streams, tu dis ah ouais, j'ai envie de coder, ça a l'air trop cool. Alors que bon, c'est du code quoi. Enfin, bon, coder c'est trop cool, mais il a vraiment un truc et il a un clavier coupé en deux et tout là comme moi. Enfin, lui, il en a un truc un peu plus sophistiqué. Et là, je me suis mis sous Vim, juste histoire de, tu vois, histoire de bien. Comme ça, t'as plein de sons de clavier juste pour te déplacer et tout ça, c'est cool. Après, l'inconvénient, je pense, c'est que aussi qu'il faudrait que je sois. Genre, faudrait que je stream toute la matinée. Là, je stream le matin avant d'aller au boulot. Donc, c'est pas la folie non plus. Est-ce qu'on peut mettre des defaults là-dedans? Non, on peut pas. Comment on fait ça, tiens? Ouais, mais par contre, étonnamment, il y a des gens qui passent quand même. La dernière fois, il y a un mec qui a passé, on a discuté et tout, c'était cool. En plus, il avait l'air de bien connaître Vim un peu plus que moi, donc il m'a dit ah, fais comme ça, donc c'était sympa. Bah, après, c'est pas régulier, mais c'est cool. Tu vois, genre là, sur le truc, alors je sais pas, c'est OBS qui me dit, mais genre là, il y a 4 personnes qui regardent, apparemment. Mais va savoir si c'est 4 personnes. Tu vois, sur Twitch, là, il y a 3 personnes actuellement. Je sais pas si c'est des vrais. Si vous êtes des vraies personnes, faites coucou. Ou si c'est des bots. Tout à l'heure, j'ai eu un message d'un bot, je crois. Mais je vais. Puisque t'es là, Nico, je vais te montrer ce que je suis en train de coder du coup. Comme ça va être sympa. Alors attends. Il faut que je lance le. Parce que du coup, ce qui est chiant, c'est que c'est du truc mobile. Donc du coup, sur du mobile, bah du coup, t'as pas l'écran. Alors j'ai chopé un truc pour faire du mirroring. Normalement. Normalement, s'il veut bien. Ah, il est pas encore là. Allez, allez. Ah putain. Alors. Mise en mirror. Tac, tac, tac. On rentre le code. Tac. Non, je veux pas partager mon écran, tête de taille. Ah, c'est très chiant. C'est très chiant. Quand ça marche, c'est bien, mais sinon, c'est chiant. Voilà. Tac. 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 Et du coup, il faut que je l'active là-dedans, parce que pareil, dans OBS, c'est chiant. Hop. Ça fait beaucoup de chiant que je raconte. Voilà. Tac. Petite application mobile qui permet de... Alors en gros, que je t'explique, si, tu as 2 minutes et que t'écoutes. Avec ma fille, là, on était allé. Alors, son but, là, dans la vie, c'est sauver la planète. Tu vois, à 7 ans, on est plein de belles idées. Et, euh, et du coup, elle était très triste de ne pas pouvoir sauver la planète. Et on est allé à un. Alors, il y a une association qui fait du nettoyage de plage. En fait, ils récupèrent les déchets, toujours au même endroit. Et en fait, ils y vont 4 fois par an. Ouais. Et donc, ils y vont 4 fois par an pour récupérer un petit peu tous les déchets sur 100 mètres de plage. Ils ont demandé à la mairie de pas nettoyer la plage de façon explicite. Comme ça, c'est vraiment, ils récupèrent les déchets. Et donc, ce qu'ils font, ils ramassent les déchets, ils les classifient, ils les comptent. Et la dernière fois, on y est allé cet été et ils ont ramassé, je crois, 15 kilos de déchets quand même. Hello! Ah, in English. So let me explain. I was explaining to another viewer on Twitch. Is it okay if I switch in English, Nico? Because I have a viewer on YouTube. I don't know if you see the comments. I don't think so in Twitch. Okay. So I'm making an application that goal is to collect and track trashes. So sorry, hein, Shozi, it will be it's for now it's in French. And the goal is like um, you pick some trashes, you take a picture of it, and you classify depending on which category is it, and it will count how many trashes you get. And this is the first MVP. So you have here is the welcome screen. So you come in the application, you have a welcome to pick and tag, and I build a small mascot with ChatGPT, which his name is Garbo. So its goal is to help him to pick some trashes. You scan it with the application, then you throw it into the correct trash, and Garbo is proud of you, and it's your turn to play. So let's begin to collect. So the goal here, you take a picture of the trash and you classify it depending if it's plastic, paper, how do you say ver? I don't know. Oh, okay, who cares? Metal or other polystyrene, glass, yeah, sorry, thank you. So let's say it's a plastic. I click on collect. Let's see if it works. Yes. And now you have, okay, you collect one trash with the last collect with geolocalization. And the goal is so you will have more gamification stuff. Like you will have, okay, you collected this amount of trashes, so you are this level, etc. And you will be able to compete. The goal is then to have a map, like let's say in this city there is this amount of trashes that are collected, which is nice, and you can kind of compete. And the goal as well is to, as I said, I was with I don't know if we say that in English, but an association, a group of people that clean the beach, and you will be able to create a kind of a group. So you start a group, like a collective collect, and all the trashes. Yeah, thank you, thank you. And actually, it comes from my daughter, which is 7 years old, and she said, "Oh, Dad, I want to save the world, to clean the planet." So I started to build that for her, for to help. And so you can go into the beach and collect every trashes and say, okay, my group I collect 10 trashes and my group collects 100 trashes, and you have a stats, etc., etc. So I try to, I think it's beginning of October, I have another collect with the group. So I will try it. I hope it will be ready, because I don't have a lot of time. I do this as a side project of my full-time job. But yeah, I like it, and yesterday I showed it to her, and she was amazed, and she say, "Oh!" And she played. She take like 100 of picture of everything just to try it. But you can take pictures, classify, and you see you have some stats. And hopefully I will have some like gamification stuff like levels, etc. Yeah, thank you. And in the yeah, maybe in the future, as you see, you have a kind of a mascot, and in the end, what I would like to have is like this mascot is like, maybe you don't know what is a Tamagotchi, but it's a small creature that you feed, etc. And the more trashes you collect, the more the creature is happy because he can eat, because he eats trashes, for example. So yeah, that's the goal. Uh, and I will release it into for now into the Play Store, into Android. Um, I just registered for a Play account, so I will see if people will use it. Let's say, but for now it's a MVP, so I will first test it. Hope you love it after. And for now, I'm just changing the. Okay, I need to reload because I was doing the onboarding screen just to make it coherent with all the applications. So for now, I'm trying to do something like more. Something more. Do I have a release deadline? No. Ah, yes, MVP. Oh, sorry, yes. MVP is really something like it's a minimum viable product. And do I have a release deadline? Not really. It's just that in beginning of October, I will need to be ready at least for the basic, to be able to take a picture of the trash and classify it and store it for now. Maybe the group part, not sure, because it will need to involve a server, etc. For now, I'm focusing on only on the application. Also, in the future, what I want to do is to create, when you take the picture of the trash, to ask AI to classify it automatically. I don't know if you will help. Yeah. Yeah, yes, yes. When the weekly, monthly, most trash collector. Yeah, you will have kind of this. Yeah, you like, oh, you collect the most trash in this week, on this month. Yeah, for sure. Um, Hello, Mohammed. Sorry, I don't speak Arabic, so I cannot read. So I guess it's welcome, you said, hopefully. Very good. Oh no, it's not Arabic. Is it? Google tell me it's Urdu. And yeah, so that's it. And also, it's my first time almost. I started streaming that because I think it's good to stream it. But it's my first, almost my first streams. So, and I take this opportunity to learn React Native. So I don't know, because I set up the stream both on YouTube and Twitch, but I'm not sure. Guys on Twitch see the comments on YouTube and vice versa. Normally you see it on the screen here. Yeah, perfect. I don't know if it's readable because I saw it on my OBS, but okay. And why does it have this error? because title screen on press is missing the following properties. What is not nice is that in Vim I don't know how to see all the. And yeah, I don't know. And lint maybe. Let's check if it say me some warnings. Ah, perfect. Okay. Whoa. Yes. Yes, I could set up a background. Is it like still? Let's check if I can do it, because okay, I have to stop in 20 minutes, so not sure to be able to progress a lot. But let's try. Where is it, the commands? I can. Yeah. Okay. Can I say settings, apparence? I cannot. What is that? Oh, short. No, I don't want to log out. It's restream strat. You don't see my web screen, but it's normal. How can I set up the... I think I'm connected to Discord as well. Alright, chat. How can I access it? Yeah, see you, Nico. Thank you for coming. I'll try to. If you're not late, I will rush. No, I will say raid you. Bon, okay, I will check after. It's don't know how to check the chat. Up. So let's back on the code. And root gate will check later. Okay, no, that's not this one that I want. No. Let's restart. And there is 8 people looking at me. 5 on YouTube. 3 on Twitch. Hello, guys. Hello, Chimpinski. Wow. Chimpinski. Don't know how to say that. Stream is in French normally, but there are some guys that speak English, so I switch in English. And that's totally fine. Oh yeah, just to explain again. Basically, I'm working on an application that's goal is to collect and trash, collect and tag, and classify some trashes. I did that for my small daughter. She wants to save the world, basically. And this is a welcome screen, you see. And goal is you take a picture of the trash. This is my table. You check which classification is it, like glass, plastic, paper. Let's say it's paper. You collect, and you have this kind of dashboard where you see all the trashes you collected. And after you have a kind of a leaderboard where you can see, okay, I'm the most, let's say, trash collectors of the week. So you can compete by with the world, with your city, and in the end, you will have a localization extra. But that's basically it, and it will be available probably on the Play Store. I don't know if I will release it on iOS because it's more. You need a subscription from Apple, which is like on Play Store you have it's $20 or $25, and you have a lifetime account. I think on Apple it's like maybe I think it's $100 per year, and you need to do it every year. So first on Play Store, and I will see if it has some success, and if it does, yeah, I will release it on Play Store. And you see this nice mascot. It's a mascot of the app. Just made it with AI because I don't have money to hire an artist, but maybe later I will. I have a friend that can do, so I will ask him to make it. But for my name first, yeah, thank you. I hope it will work. It's almost done for the MVP. MVP is my minimal viable project, and I will test it in live with a real collect. And I am trying to fix this warning. I don't know because the button is there, and I don't know if some guys here know React native a lot, or React, because I'm beginner in React. I don't know if we could put some default values here, or else I will search on the web. Let's search React native default values props. Can we do that or not? What? Okay. That's not nice. No, it's not being good. I'm not good either, so just need to have fun while coding. And I'm sure you guys will have fun if you start having a project that is really something that you want to build. Now, what is good now is with AI you can almost do anything. Just need to be not to be dumb, but just blindly copy paste stuff. But you can learn. Hello Skoda, just started coding. Yeah, but that's nice. I mean, I love coding. Do less coding at work these days, because when you gain seniority, you do. I mean, usually you do less code because you need to more have a global view, transversal view of the company. But I mean, I still love coding, and I see it like writing a book. You really, it's an artistic job. You create some stuff, and I find really from scratch you have something. Yeah, and first thank you, but okay, Skoda, thank you. And I started the idea of streaming. I really find it nice because I watch a very good streamer, which is, maybe you know it, the Primeagen, which is an American streamer, which is really nice and really like. I don't know how he does, but he gives you the will to code. It's like wow. And by the way, they are doing in September something really nice, which is they stuck in a water tower during 7 days, and they are doing code with a friend of them. Like they did it last year, they will redo it this year. So yeah, check this premium. It's really nice. And Chimpinski. Okay, up. And okay, yes, you're studying electrical engineering. And yeah, but I mean, I'm not sure you want to. How to say that? Sorry, I'm really not very good in English, but I mean, either you see it as a passion, like you like coding, either you see it as a tool. Depend really on the need. First, you need to make it works. I would say this is the most important. And after, if you need performances, etc. Very often, people that are saying good at coding, they try to do really something very nice, and so very often the overcomplicated stuff, and you think, oh, it seems like complex because so I don't want to go to coding because it's really complex. But one of the biggest principle in coding is like keep it simple. Always keep it simple. If it's simple, it will work. After, if you really need some complex and advanced stuff, you will need to dig deep dive. But for the really basics, like for this application, for now, there is no performance. There is some constraints, like here I will need to sync the database in a server. This will be complex, but afterward but yeah, keep going. Oh, you do Arduino in C++? Isn't C for Arduino? And I did some programmation also, development on a Raspberry Pi, and it was Python, I think. Because C and C++ is like kind of hard to yeah. Okay. Yeah, C and C++. I started with that also at school. It's nice. The most difficult thing is the pointers, the notion of pointers. We did a lot of algorithmical on paper stuff just to really understand what is a pointer, the pointer to a cell. It's really nice, really important to understand, because very often people just start by doing mostly Java or JavaScript. They don't understand what is a pointer reference or whatsoever, and sometimes they struggle about what happened behind the scene. Yeah, it's like learning a language. If you, I mean, like English or Japanese or whatsoever, if you don't practice, you lost it. But the good thing is, if you restart it again, you will quickly remind. I remember I went to, I learned Spanish at school, and I went to Cuba, and I almost forgot everything about Spanish, didn't practice in 10 years. But when I go there, after a few days, I was starting, okay, I can understand back, and I almost able to speak back again. I speak French, actually. And other language, I was English, of course, and Japanese, and also Spanish. But I didn't practice Spanish because, I mean, I don't have the opportunity. And Skoda, I studied JavaScript for a month and now I'm working on learning React. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice. I'm also learning React, you see. I was mainly on Angular for now at work, which is nice. On the market, I think now React is more trendy. So was that a good move? Mohamed, yeah, pointer makes brain swinging. Yes, yes. I think I spent a full month like I was brain fucked, like, wow, what the fuck? But when you get it, you get it. I started learning Spanish and Italian structure pricing too, so I must forget this. Never tried to learn any French. So. Yeah, French is hard. French is really hard. If you really want to follow the syntaxes, the grammar, etc., it's really hard. If you just want to speak, you can manage. I mean, it's almost like Spanish and Italian. For me, it's really similar. My daughter starts learning Italian, and I don't understand the word of all the stuff, but you can. There is a lot of words that are similar. And yeah, I have 5 minutes. Can I? Maybe I can do like a pointer stuff just for fun. Let's check if I have some time. What is that? No, it's another up. Let's try. Basically, a pointer is really simple to me. You have in memory, you have your. Yeah, because Latin is in. Yeah, it's really similar. Let's move my face up. Let's keep him. Voilà. Yeah, pointer is really simple. It's just we need to understand it from a computer point of view. Here you have a memory place where you have a value, let's say 12. And this value, you can do something with it. A pointer is basically, okay, I don't want to carry over this value because here it's 12, but maybe it could be a big int like a lot of values. And if you have to take that over memory, you will do a copy of it, like mainly in functions, etc. When you pass as an argument, you will do a copy. And let's say I don't want to manipulate these big values. I just want to have a smaller memory place that just say, okay, this, if I target this, it's just a pointer, basically, to this other place. And you can carry over this small piece and it will cost like pointer of memory and it will cost less, really less. So really basic. I speak Arabic and surprisingly there's a lot of common word between Spanish and Arabic. Yes, yes. I remember when I was at school, I got friends which were from, I don't remember if it was Morocco or Tunis. It will kill me if I if I misunderstood, but and actually we were speaking a lot together because it's quite really interesting. The Arabic culture is really interesting. And he was telling me that he understands Spanish very well because there is a lot of words. This word is the same in Spanish, etc. So it was really cool to exchange with him. And Arabic, I think the writing is really difficult. Yes, they speak French in Morocco too. Yes, yes, and it's basically kind of another native. They have two native songs. At school, they learn a lot French. And I'm sorry, I really like to talk with you guys, but sadly, I will need to go to work. If you don't mind, I have a friend that does a stream. Let's check if he's currently online. How can I do that? First time, I told you, first time, so I don't know. But I will read him if you don't mind. So you will end up in his. But he started now, so I can read him when he's ready. So I will wait until okay, he started, so I can read. He got some points. You can look if you want. It's streaming World of Warcraft, but let's say run red. And now I need to know how it works. Okay. So just go there, say hi, and leave it if you don't like, but it will help him a lot. Thank you very much for being there. You can subscribe if you want to the channel. I'm trying to stream every morning. Not tomorrow, because I need to start work earlier. But I'm trying globally to stream every morning before going to work. So yeah, let's see you soon. Thank you. Does it work? 1, 2, 3, up.